Welcome once again to Unboxing Unscripted, Unfiltered, and kind of like part two of the other Phorcydes unboxing that we had. This is the second box. Like what I said in the first unboxing, we got two watches from Phorcydes. And this one is kind of a little bit of an unusual take. As many of you may know, that when it comes to homages, some watch companies they typically homage famous watches or familiar watches, but here this is kind of unusual because according to their website, this is homaging a Douglas skin diver, and that's what it is. Look at that. That's a now. I did a little bit of a passing research there. Of course, Google is your friend. ChatGPT is always there, ready for you, whatever. And apparently, Douglas Skin Divers are a small brand back in the time, a U.S. market brand that specializes on skin divers, and that's basically it. And they have a somewhat distinct look that became the archetype for skin divers back in the time. And they are characterized by these sort of like blanc pawn bezels along with the numerals on the quarter markers of the dial. And of course, they should be rather thin. And the way Phorcydes goes around that is that they put the crown instead of the right on the left. So this becomes a destro homage of a Douglas skin diver. Now, it's very ubiquitous, and if you look closely, because of those really long hash marks on the dial, they kind of resemble some of the Longines legend divers. You could mistake that for one of them. But this one comes with this nylon strap, and it's very, very light. And this dual pass or maybe single pass. I don't know what they call these straps. These are so. Let me see. Let me try and see how that works. Okay, so that's how it works. So maybe I should have like done it the other way around. And wow. Okay, so even if they had this kind of strap, they still provide quick release spring bar, so it'll be easier for anyone to use it. Is it elastic? No, it's not kind of elastic. It is nylon, but it's very, very light on the touch. Very, very light. I almost mistook this as titanium, but actually it's not. Okay. Wow, my skin, my wrist is really, really small. And that's how it looks like on my 6¼ inch wrist. Wow, it fits really, really well. Let's listen to the bezel. Oh, the bezel's a little bit muted, guys. It's a muted bezel. I kind of don't like that. I like my bezels clicky, very haptic. This one is very muted, and it's actually rather light to the touch. It still has that, somewhat domed sapphire crystal. And again, you see some loom blocks there. So let's charge that up and see how it looks. This is something new that I've been doing now in the past few unboxings. Okay, so it has two different colors right there. So the quarter numerals are blue tinted loom blocks, while the rest of the watch is, or the rest of the markers are green. I assume superluminova, but look at this. Only the hour marker or the bezel marker is loomed. So you gotta keep that in mind. Some people might not like that, but hey, let's put back our lights. Okay, there we are. But I don't think many would mind. It has a really nice orange accent also on the minute markers, and those are that's actually a pretty cool detail there. minutes and seconds, that's what usually what divers would be paying attention to, and they mark that with this dial. Okay, and it's rather easy to remove it from the wrist. Now let's go over to the specs really briefly. So this has a 120 click bezel. That we already know. It's also 39 millimeters, and it is also 13 millimeters thick, the same as the other one, the same as the PH-4A, and this is the 4B, and the lug is, of course, 48 millimeters, and it uses a sapphire glass. Let's see what the back has to offer. Okay, it's just the generic Phorcydes case back right there, marked with stuff, sapphire glass, stainless steel, etc. I almost mistook this. It was so light, I almost mistook this for titanium, but it's not. It's stainless steel. It's quite not unusual, but yeah, it is unusual because it's a destro watch. You don't see that often, and that to many people, why they might ask why we have a destro watch. Well, if you wear it, this is the likely side that's going to hit anything. It's more likely to hit anything from this side, and rarely you hit anything from this side of your forearm. So it really protects the watch from any impact. The problem with that is when you're gonna have to like remove your watch to set the time, and sometimes even when you have the watch in hand, it's still rather, it still takes a bit of getting used to wind from that side. See? Okay, and now how do I try that? Okay. It feels really different when I'm winding with my left hand. Okay, now I can't even thread it back in. Come on. Now this is one way of doing things. You turn it back to the way that you're used to unwind and winding your watch, and there you go. I mean, that's a small workaround, guys, but now you have a very unique and unusual watch coming from Phorcydes. What's more unusual? This is $150, guys. This is just $150. It's really affordable. It's automatic. It's still 200 meters, water resistant, and it has no date. It doesn't have any date on this one, so you could have both Phorcydes. And where is it now? Let me just take this. So this is the 4A and this is the 4B. You can have both for the price of a typical microbrand. Can you imagine that? That's how affordable these things are. Really affordable. Really attractive. And yeah, the finishing is not that bad, you know, for the price. So let me know what you guys think about this Phorcydes PH-4B. It's a destro watch, skin diver that's homaging Douglas skin divers, which is kind of a niche on its own. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think, and the interesting comments will, of course, make it in to the actual video review.